Welcome to Motorfest Mastery. My name is Elongo and we're going to go over some photo mode options today. We're going to go over some action shots, and in order to get action shots you need rewind and fast forward in photo mode. So you start by doing an action shot. Just leave here. Just get an action shot right here. Alright, go into photo mode. Hit left D-pad for rewind. And in order to get the smoke or your vanity to go in the right direction, you have to rewind and then fast forward, and then it starts to trail behind again. So there we go. We got a nice little drift here. Position your camera. Like so. And you could repair your vehicle with that, or you could hit Y, I believe. I forget. And you can do time of day. So we'll do afternoon, right about there. And if you click the left thumbstick, it will take the HUD away. There you could perfect your camera movement and click. You got a photo. And in order to get event photos after the event, you could open up photo mode, rewind and fast forward into the event, so you could get excellent moments with other racers that were in that event. However, some things like special jets or special props that were used in the event may not appear. This was your Motorfest Mastery on photo mode. My name's Elongo, and happy gaming.